Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on drawing cartoons. Today I'd like to show you how to draw a very simple cat character, kind of a kitten, but it's so simple. It starts from an oval, just like this, kind of an elongated oval, a long neck, and once we have that, we'll draw the center line and the eye line really low. That's where the cat's eyes are going to be. And let's tilt the eyes a little bit. Just tilt them so they're kind of diagonal, okay? And we'll float some big eyeballs in there. Once we have that, and remember, as I always say, don't worry if your oval's good or not good. It's just a starting point. It's always a starting point. Have little eyebrows. Just little ones, not big ones. Now, where these two lines intersect, we'll draw a big kind of humping line there, and that is the bridge of the nose. And a flat little nose area here. And it's small, so it doesn't compete with the size of the eyes, which is big. We're going to have a split lip on this character. Dogs, cats, they have split lips, which means this line comes straight down as part of the smile. Kind of divided in two. Here's one half, and here's the other half. And some eyelashes over here. Down on the sides, just not off the side, not on the top, just diagonally on the head will be the ears. We'll create that interior look with a shading. And over here we'll erase. Why am I erasing? Am I just an erasing fool? Yes, but also there's another reason. To add a little bit of puffiness here for the cheek. A little bit of puffiness for the cheek. There you go. Now let's open the mouth a little bit here for a nice expression. Just like going, ooh, and a cupped chin right below. Now, as you can see, I have to make another adjustment. What is it? The neck's too thin. The head's now too wide. That's fine. That's absolutely fine. See, that's what I mean about you just keep adjusting as you go to fit whatever you're doing. Your conception as you draw of your character will probably change. It won't stay the same. So you can't keep the same shape. That's perfectly natural. All right, so now let me finish this up and see what we've got. All right. And those big eyeballs, I don't want them to touch the sides of the eyes, because that will be distracting to the viewer. I want to get them close, but I want to leave a sliver of space between the eyeball and this outline of the eye. That's good. And that little rounded line for the bridge of the nose. Let's use a thin line here for a few whiskers. I'm going to straighten out this line here, smooth it out, I mean. There we go, that's good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Float them off the side of the head. It's a funny look. And remember, we're going to make this cheek come out a little bit wide and then slope down. The cheek come out a little bit wide and then slope down. Top of the ear is flat, bottom is rounded. Top of the ear is flat, the bottom is rounded. A few hairs on top, just for fun. And let's just give a little bit of shading right here on the bridge of the nose. And there you go. There is your simple cat character. Just a few lines, just adjusting the oval, and that's all you need. I have a lot more character designs I'd love to share with you. So please subscribe. You'll get them every week. See you next time. Bye-bye.